Mr. Abhishek Biswas, the founder of Sattvic India Council, with a notion to revolutionize the world of food industries. He has launched the world's first single window vegetarian certification and was awarded by IIEA. Their mission and vision statement revolves around the adulterated foods that individuals are consuming. So we welcome him with a huge round of applause. I would request Mr. Aditya sir to please present the bouquet to our guest. And now I would request sir to please come on the dais and continue with your presentation.
I think it's better for me that I come down, or I'll probably walk to you guys and talk, because usually my presentations are not like normal presentations. I try to interact with the students, especially I think a lot of can आप में से MTech students कितने हैं? And BTech? And what about the management, MBA? So there are three different perspectives here. Yeah.
Sir? Curtains, curtains.
Yeah, so usually come down, it's better for me to do like this. So usually, so there are three, I think there are three different, I'm saying generations and different, different streams. Sattvic India. थोड़ी सी शुरुआत करता हूँ इसके लिए आपको. I'll talk in Hindi and English both. For थोड़ी शुरुआत करता हूँ. It's like this concept. I started to write notes, the paper around 2010, seeing the world market, because I have a huge exposure as far as the business is concerned, and I was working outside. I have been abroad for quite some time, and my career actually started there. So we had to go to a lot of symposiums, and with that symposium, I was with the government of Thailand, advisor to the Thai Prime Minister for 2.5 years, taking care of the bilateral trade. So we used to go to symposiums, and usually it was all halal, industrial symposiums, MSME symposiums, and I saw halal coming up like huge, because halal is a huge market, and majorly it is for the non-vegetarians of the world. And because I was based in Thailand, so there were a lot of people who used to come to Thailand to meet me. और वेजिटेरियंस के लिए बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, उनके लिए कुछ था नहीं, बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट ईट, दे हैड टू ईट एट माई होम. अगर मैं उनको लेके कहीं बाहर जाता था तो प्योरली वेजिटेरियन लोग, आप में से कितने लोग हैं प्लीज, कैन यू? ठीक है, मींस देयर अबाउट 20% हियर. सो आप लोग समझ सकते होंगे कि अगर आपको बाहर खाना पड़े और किसी ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट में खाना पड़े जहाँ पर आप श्योर नहीं हो, या किसी ऐसी जगह पर खाना पड़े जहाँ पर आप श्योर नहीं हो, so that is a very huge problem. There is a hitch, and for them there is no faith, there is no logo, and there is no entire oncology to make people understand कि no, this is a pure vegetarian restaurant, or it's a pure vegetarian product. You can eat it, डब्बा खोलो और खा लो. नहीं है सर. So I'll start with my first slide. किसी ने ये लोगो देखा है पहले? देखा है? Yes किसने बोला? It's very interesting, क्योंकि 10 मुझे लगता है लगभग 100 कॉलेजेस में जा चुका हूँ आज तक किसी ने नहीं बोला मुझे घूस यस किसने बोला अरे can you get up please no it's okay if you said yes by mistake so yes by mistake बोला ना कि जैसे बोला
सर वो मैंने देखा था इंटरनेट पे ऐसे सर्च कर रहा था
okay so इंटरनेट के कुछ रेफरेंस दिमाग में है नहीं okay I'll tell you this is the logo which actually ISO certified this logo saying that कि जहाँ पे कम्युनिटी हो वहाँ पर अगर फूड कोर्ट है आप लोग फूड कोर्ट जाते हैं हर जगह मतलब एयरपोर्ट्स पे हर जगह फूड कोर्ट्स होते हैं तो ये साइन बेसिकली पब्लिक साइन है टेलिंग यू दैट इट इज अ प्योर वेज रेस्टोरेंट और अ प्लेस वेयर यू कैन ईट वेजिटेरियंस कैन कम एंड ईट सो मुझे लगता है हार्डली किसी ने एयरपोर्ट में देखा होगा किसी ने शॉपिंग मॉल में तो नहीं देखा होगा बिकॉज ये यूज नहीं होता सो आई एम गिविंग एन एविडेंस कि 2013 में रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ 2013 में ISO ने इसको रजिस्टर किया अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट द वेजिटेरियन फूड इज अवेलेबल फॉर जनरल एंड पब्लिक लोकेशंस बट स्टिल आज तक यूज करते हुए आपको दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा होगा राइट आप लोग भी एयरपोर्ट जाते होंगे हर जगह सो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड that out of our population and the world population around 40-45% people are vegetarians and now conversion rate getting more and more higher because of the vegan coming up. So the conversion rate is more about 8% that the people are becoming vegetarian or they are becoming vegan. My next slide would be this is a small index which I talk about to everyone, especially this is a slide from McKinsey. आप इसमें थोड़ा सा देखेंगे तो ये हमारे को ये बताता है कि 2030 तक what is going to be the population in India. So they have compared the city with some countries, right? So Hyderabad would be somewhere like Morocco, right? Bengaluru should be like somewhere in Slovakia, Ahmedabad, Vietnam, Delhi, Philippines, Mumbai, Malaysia. So you can imagine what is the population and where is the population growing. Achha, why am I talking about population? Anybody? Why am I talking about population? In a presentation जहाँ पे certification food की बात हो रही है. Sorry?
Food level ability is dependent on population.
Good. Another one?
It depends upon the number of vegetarians and non-vegetarians there.
Good. Another one?
As the population will increase, taking the current scenario, there are more number of non-vegetarians, so the dependency on animals
All right. I'll just exclude one more component out of it. आप इस component से इस question से vegetarian हटा दीजिए. उसके अब बताइए आप.
Population is directly proportional to food consumption.
Okay, that's one. But again, that's what I'm trying to say. One point आप लोग थोड़ा सा miss कर रहे हो कि food is basically the biggest need and food safety उससे भी बड़ी need है. फूड तो है ही है आप जो खाना खा रहे हो वो तो है ही है बट फूड सेफ्टी उससे भी बड़ी चीज है एंड फूड सेफ्टी व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 43% ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया जहां पे फूड सेफ्टी की बात आती है दैट इज नॉट आई एम रियली सॉरी टू से इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग द वे इट शुड राइट सो आई हैव अ स्मॉल रेफरल वीडियो. Can anybody play that, please? So don't get disturbed by seeing this video. थोड़ा सा इसको आप लोग थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखिएगा.
Sound.
Can you switch on these lights, please? This one. This is 2015 we're talking about the Maggie component which happened. I hope everybody knows it here because you're studying it, right? Can we have up the audio a little bit more?
माइक्स इस माइक्स को नीचे लगा दो
सर ये ऑडियो जैक secretly invading our lives.
close this. It's about to end, but I'm just trying to show you this scenario. What is this? This is the actual current scenario, all right? Because you need to understand, because you are students. अब आप यहाँ से निकलेंगे, बाहर जाएंगे, अपने you'll join big companies, you will go to different places. The institute will help you. You are actually studying in one of the best institutions in India. But why am I trying to tell you is this, that this is the picture. And where you connect is that, how can you contribute? I had a good job. I was actually abroad. I didn't want to come back to India. There was no point. But why did I came back to India? The only reason, because when I started my research, I could actually understand what exactly is going on. So somebody has to come up and take up a step. कोई एक आदमी तो आगे आएगा ना? उनमें से यहाँ पे कौन है? कोई एक वाला जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. How many people? Good. So you don't have to be the best. Believe me. When I go to a lot of schools, they call me up for talks. So I always go, when I go to the school, when I see the kids, the first thing I tell them that you don't have to be the best. You have to be the first. All right, you have to be the first. Don't be the best. Because if you are the first, you'll actually come out and you'll actually join something. Because now it's enough. The last 3-4, I think the last one generation, now it's enough. Now we are digitally empowered. We are coming up as a global economy. We are I think one of the largest populations of around less than 40, right? And we have everything. We have talent. But then the idea is that talent is not going into connections. And that is why I am here to talk to you. That is why I am here in NIFTM. And that is why I want to become a part of the NIFTM society. After this, that's what I was coming back to know, that the world is within our hands. Initiative like Digital India has made us available everywhere in the world. We are connected to every place in the world right now. I think most of the research is there with us. People can share their thoughts. So I ask myself all the time, that are we prepared for this growth? Okay, you were nodding. There was something in your mind? आप ऐसे कर दीजिए. बताइए क्या? Please share your thoughts.
You asked, are we prepared?
Yeah.
But the current scenario, looking at that, we should first improve the current market, then we should go for a preparation for the growth.
Good. Anybody else on this thought? That are we prepared for this growth? Do you think that all the Digital India and all the Paytm and all the machinery and all the transactions, all the banks and all the education system is actually educating us, but is it there at the ground level? Why do you think so? One person. Why do you think so? Anybody?
The basic need, food is
Can you
not
please
safe.
get up? Thank you so much.
The basic need, food is not safe.
Food is not safe, but you still eat it.
Yeah, we currently eat it.
Yeah. Anybody knows MSG? Monosodium glucose, right? And what are the effects of eating MSG if you are not eating it in proportions? Sorry? Again. Wow, that is one thing, but then you are prone to have bone cancer. That is the first. If you say the first in the thing, तो सबसे पहला होता है कि अगर बच्चे उसको खा रहे हैं और जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उसको खा रहे हैं तो सबसे पहला उनके बोन्स के ऊपर फर्क पड़ता है. Now I'll share a small also. You guys can check on the internet also. WHO की एक रिपोर्ट है जिसमें ये बोलते हैं कि 30% by 2030, 30% of our children, newborns or children less than like 10 years would have cancer because of the food scenario, right? So we did a campaign anti, this MSG, that ये आप लोग कितने कितने लोगों ने जो ठेले लगते हैं उस पर चाउमीन खाया? मैं तो खाता हूँ कभी कभी, नियरली एवरीबडी, राइट? सो वो ठेले वाला जो है ना, उसकी इंटेंशन गलत नहीं है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. आप लोग टॉर्च बेयरर्स हो आगे, कि जो ठेले वाला है उसकी इंटेंशन नहीं कि वो आपको गलत खिला रहा है, राइट? बट ही इज नॉट एजुकेटेड, he doesn't know the pros and cons of mixing MSG in misappropriate, quantities when he's making a chowmein. You got my point? So point is not import, you understand? Actually it is imported, it is available, but then people, those who are using it, the majority of people, the majority of chefs, a chef would never use it because actually he's an educated guy. But हमारे यहाँ पर अगर आप उस chef के system पे और नॉर्मल लेबर को कंपेयर करेंगे, सो इट इज लाइक ट्रिमेंडस, लाइक मे बी 100 टाइम्स मोर. सो देयर आर पीपल जिनको हम अपने घर पे बुलाते हैं, हमारे घर पे कुछ शादी होती है, कुछ तो हलवाई बुला लेते हैं, राइट? सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट कैटेगरी, बिकॉज ही विल पुट इन दैट MSG इन 100% नॉट एप्रोप्रिएट मेजर्स. जितना डालना चाहिए उसको नहीं पता, he doesn't know. So that is one big thing that we are having this problem, that lack of information sharing. So somebody wants to do a startup, I think it's the best thing, right? That information is not there. The right information is not reaching to the right kind of people, or the people who are more very experienced. I had a talk with, we did a small, survey of calling up all these halwais, and we kept some components in front of them, and we told them, आप मुझे टेस्ट करके बताओ क्या. सारे वाइट थे, एक में वाइट पेपर था, एक में सॉल्ट था, एक में MSG था. उन सारे लोगों को पता है सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा उसमें से, MSG. So फिर हमने उनको बताया कि यार ये तो आप तो अजीनोमोटो बोलते हैं उसको ऐसे. बोला आप लोग कैसे यूज करते हो? बोला हम तो ऐसे उठाते हैं और ऐसे डालते हैं, राइट? So we need to, that is where we need to get inside, because we have to understand that there is a lack of information, right? And nobody is working for it. There has to be somebody who has to work on the ground level. जब तक आप नीचे, like अभी आपने देखा एक वीडियो पे, ये कैल्शियम कार्बाइड, एक्चुअली ये कम बता रहे थे. कैल्शियम कार्बाइड अगर आप अपने पिलो के नीचे रख के 1 महीना सो जाएंगे तो आपको कैंसर हो जाएगा. Just 1 month. I would not tell you to try it, but that's a fact. That's a fact, right? So where are we going? The idea is that people who are the resellers, they are the sellers. Money has become more important from them than the human life, and that is why Satvik India is coming in. That is why we are coming in. That is why we created this Satvik India. That it has to work in 360 degree, in research, in practical, ground reality. I'll come to it later in the slides. So So this is the small, you can just go through it. So you'll be able to understand what is the future of the food market in India. So we are looking at 40% current market size 2015, and by 2025 it's going to be like, just see the figures. CII estimated by 2020 the food processing sector alone will having the potential of attracting $33 billion of investment into India and generate 9 million jobs. I think I'll use this, it's better. Yeah, so now you can see the structure here. this is the structure of the food industry right now. Okay, so it's the organized is 25%, small scale is 33%, and when you talk about the unorganized processing, which I was talking to you right now, is a part, right? The MSG thing which I was talking. So this plays a very, very vital role, and this is where it needs to be worked out on the first instance. Right? I think a lot of you guys must know this also, that I'm just trying to share. I'll not take the company's name, but nowadays the bigger FMCG companies are not having problem in sales. Sales is not a problem. Their problem is the duplicacy of the product. Because the more and more interior you go, the more and more all these FMCG, I'll not take the name, but they are actually employing more and more people to go and do the vigilance. Because actually, the market size is too huge, and government is not able to help them. And technically, if they want, they will not be able to. So they need a manpower vigilance. They have vigilance department now inside a multinational company. So the safety standards I was talking to you about, like the US, just go through the slide properly, you'll be able to understand. This is about the Maggie thing which happened in our country like about 3, 4, 5 years back. And the same product was actually given a green signal from Singapore. And Singapore is a HACCP country, just like Thailand. So you cannot produce unless and until you are HACCP. You cannot even produce. Selling ki to bahut dur ki baat hai. Now, this I picked up a screenshot from the, AVA, which is a Singaporean body, right? Which is saying that India made instant Maggi noodles safe to eat. So you can imagine how, internationally where we are positioned. This slide I always talk to people how and where we are positioned in food. Now the answer, you need to have an answer. There has to be, because there's so many questions, and even ISO could not help us in this, because they have certain speculations for food, obviously, because it's a manufacturing. Whenever the technical thing comes in, there has to be an ISO. But Satvik. Now this tells me about me that I come from a very small town, Kanpur. से हूँ कानपुर का कोई है क्या यहाँ पे? Nobody. यूपी का कोई है यहाँ पे? So I come from Kanpur. My father was a doctor by profession, and so I have seen that, wash your hands and things like that since day one. And I did my higher education outside, and then I was in Thailand. Most of my businesses are still in Thailand, and I was honored to get a position and serve the Thai Prime Minister for about 2 years as bilateral trade investment guy. I've worked with a lot of ministries, Ministry of Gujarat, Ministry of UP already, and 2 more ministries right now. Okay, now a little bit of in short, how many people know halal as a certificate? ठीक है, एक जरा बताओ जरा क्या है halal? What is halal?
सर ये सेफ्टी सर्टिफिकेट है कि जो यूजुअली इस्लामिक कंट्रीज वगैरह पे जो उनके रिलीजियस बिलीव्स के हिसाब से मीट खाना सेफ है.
हाँ, हाँ. And what is the basic fundamental is that कि ये मीट के लिए सर्टिफिकेशन, right?
सिर्फ मीट के लिए.
और anybody else? पीछे से कोई? Some more points.
Sir, halal is a method of slaughter.
Yes, please. You look. We are interacting right now. You don't feel shy, because if I start feeling shy, तो तुम्हें बात ही नहीं कर पाता इतना आप लोगों से. Now we are friends. Please बताओ. What are you? You can get up and talk. बताओ ना please. I want to know.
Sir, it is a method of slaughtering, which is
halal or haram?
It is halal.
Yes. Good. Anybody else? So everybody understands that this is a process for meat. Yes or no? कोई है इसमें जो ये बोलेगा कि नहीं ये मीट के लिए नहीं है, खाली चौर भी हो सकता है इसमें? प्लीज बताओ.
जिसमें इस्लाम में लोग मानते हैं कि what is rightful to do or not.
What is
Rightful.
good? 1 point. But then beyond meat, किसी ने मतलब anybody who understands this halal beyond meat? Anybody? कि beyond red logo or meat? Anybody? Okay. So this is going to be really exciting for you. Halal is no more just for meat. Halal is in cosmetics. Okay? Halal has a halal tourism, which is certified by Halal. Halal has certified fashion designers. Okay? And obviously, all the vegetarian products you see on this slide is certified by Halal. Good? So one good applause for Halal certification. And you even have a Halal water purifier. Alright? So now you understand it has become beyond, it's a lifestyle certification. It is not only meat, it has gone beyond meat. It is, you are right. The lady in white shirt, she is also right that it is, this compliance has now become a compliance the way you practice Islam. So say for example, I'm a Muslim guy and if I'm going abroad and I'm going with my family, so I need my own space. It's all about your own space. That if I'm living in a hotel, so there are a lot of hotels now in Malaysia, even in US, Europe, they're actually providing halal certified floors. Now, for example, उन floors पे क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा? So उन floors के अंदर you will not be served pork. उन floors के ऊपर you will not be served liquor. उन floors के ऊपर there are different, you know, the room is actually defined in the way you want, right? So this is halal. So halal is into designing. So you have a halal fashion show in London, which is happening every year, which is most of all the designers who come there. So they certify you the way, you know, it is done in the Islamic, regulations. So it has evolved from just a slaughter thing, temperament to a certification. Now let's come to the Sattvic philosophy. How many people know about Sattvic? Sattvic नाम किसको किसको पहले से पता था आज के पहले? सिर्फ 3 लोगों को? यार ये तो गड़बड़। आप कितने और? 4, 5। Okay, ये पूरा सर्किट आप लोगों को सब मतलब like group हो सब लोग कि सबको यहाँ पे पता है। Why is that? Okay, anybody who would give me a definition of Sattvic, please, ma'am.
Sattvic maybe clean and like green, right? There is no non-veg is used. Like mainly the people who are like Jain people, they mainly refer to Sattvic.
Good. Anybody else? Good. Thank you so much. Anybody else? Yeah, please.
Actually, Sattvic is clean, clean food, natural, and that increases the energy of body.
Very good. यार एमटेक वाले कुछ नहीं बोल रहे यार, कुछ तो बोलो पीछे से. वो शुभ. Anybody first? I want to hear something from the MTech guy. Sattvic, please.
It is type of nature, sir. Sattvic, tamasic, and rajasic.
Wow. You should applaud him. Yes. This is the actual true definition, which is there in the slide. That Sattvic is a balance between tamasic and rajasic, right? Okay. One more interesting thing. यहाँ पे भगवत गीता किसने पढ़ी है? अच्छा पढ़ी नहीं हो तो कम से कम जानता हो किसने. I'm joking actually. पढ़ा तो मैंने भी नहीं है. अच्छा भगवत गीता पता है सबको? Good. Now सात्विक जो शब्द है मैं आपको इसलिए थोड़ा सा बता रहा हूँ ताकि आप इससे थोड़ा सा कनेक्ट करिए अपने आप को. Because we all are Aryans, no matter what religion we come from. At the end of the day, हम भारतवर्ष की पैदाइश हैं और हमारे अंदर जो DNA है वो आर्यंस का है. All right? So just to make you understand that the first time the word sattvic was used by Lord Krishna. Very good, Lord Krishna. And it was used in Bhagavad Gita explaining Arjun the right character of man per se, the universe. Alright? समझ में आया? नहीं आया? अब मैं बोलूँगा अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो हाथ उठा लेना, कम से कम दोबारा नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा. Okay. So it's like सात्विक is an environment. Alright? सात्विक एक environment है जिसके अंदर में हम लोग, हमारे पास चांसेस, हमारे पास ऑप्शन है कि हम रह सकते हैं या नहीं रह सकते. So say for example, आप अगर योग कर रहे हैं, आप योगा कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आप सात्विक एनवायरनमेंट में नहीं रह रहे हैं और आप योगा कर रहे हैं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. You got my point? You understand what I'm trying to say? That if you sattvic is an environment under which Ayurveda, yoga, natural environment, natural medicines, जड़ी बूटी, ये सब सात्विकता के अंदर ही आते हैं, इससे बाहर नहीं है. It's a part of the component. It is a part of the component, right? That's why we use the word sattvic, because understandably people should understand the concept of sattvic as far as per se as an environment, and that's what I'm talking. That's what we are trying to do here. There has to be one certification. Technology will rule everything in future, so there has to be one thing, which is where technology comes and makes sattvic a technically viable program. All right. That's why I need people like you. Sattvic needs people like you who can come, who can do research, who can connect with us, who can write PhDs, in future, and who can go to foreign universities and talk about Sattvic certification. That's what the paradigm which we are looking at. So the Sattvic philosophy, the gentleman already told us. This is the slide. All right. और ये इस स्लाइड के बाद में एक दूसरा स्लाइड आएगा जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, आपको एग्जैक्टली समझाएगा कि हम क्या करना है. So Tamasic is dull, depressed, repressed, damaged, neglected, denied, underactive. And Rajasic is overexcited, maniac, obsessed, addicted, greed, selfish, lust, overactive. Right? So there are both streams of the human component. ये दो अलग अलग streams हैं human component की, and the balance between them is called sattvic. Okay. Now why we say sattvic? हम technically कहाँ से आ जाएंगे बीच में sattvic बोलने के लिए? Because ये तो mythology, तो philosophy है. Now Ayurveda, yoga, Ayurveda and Vastu. These are the three components of the Sattvic certification. Alright? We say Sattvic for retail means that we will not certify any product, any place, or any factory unless and until it complies all the three setups. Vastu, Ayurveda means Charak Samhita. If anybody knows Charak Samhita here? Heard about Charak Samhita? No, I'll presentation के बाद बात करेंगे. तो Charak Samhita says that combination of food, ये 5000 साल पहले लिखी गई थी एक किताब, जिसमें आपको food के combinations बताए गए हैं. मतलब, say for example you go to a party, बहुत सारा खाना रखा हुआ है सामने, आपने थोड़ा सारा खा लिया, right? Now do an experiment. Try it. जितना आपने खाया ना, उसको थोड़ा proportions में लेके make a smoothie out of it. Make a and then pour it in a glass, and then bring it to your nose, that whether you can eat it or not. So if you can eat it, if you can drink that smoothie, it means that you had eaten a right combination of food, right? और अगर वो स्मूदी आप नहीं ले पाए तो तो इसका मतलब आपने जो खाया है ना थोड़ा थोड़ा करके अलग अलग, वो रॉन्ग कॉम्बिनेशन है, राइट? सो चरक टॉक्स अबाउट द राइट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फूड, राइट? सो वी आर नॉट लाइक वेस्ट, क्योंकि वहां पर सब कुछ चलता है, एवरीथिंग इज ओके। सो वो अपनी कंप्लायंस बनाते हैं लगभग लाइक 500 साल पहले से वो लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी कंप्लायंस डिजाइन करना, जब ह्यूमैनिटी बनी, सब कुछ बना, ये सब हमारा 5000 साल पहले से बना हुआ। बट nobody cared to convert it into a compliance which would actually reflect in the industries today. Now our motto, very simple: to provide healthy food for consumers, train farmer community to adapt the changes, thereby reducing farmer immortality. That's very important. Provide quality food at the right price to the consumer. That is very important in India now. And create jobs in quality management space. अभी उन्होंने बोला ना कि आपने देखा था उसमें कि भाई सरकारी लैब है, वहाँ पे 17 हैं लेकिन 4 चल रही हैं और उसमें से भी 3 ही लोग काम कर रहे हैं, बाकी सब गायब है, right? So this space is very very important, very important, that we need to create jobs in quality management today. For example, आज के बाद मुझे लगता है बहुत लोग आप लोग बहुत कुछ खाना पीना बंद करेंगे वैसे, या देख कर खाएंगे, और सर भी मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा आप ऐसे ही लग रहा है मुझे. So it's like, the confusion is that we know everything is happening at the back of their mind, but we don't have any damage control जिसका पार्ट हम बन जाए और उस डैमेज कंट्रोल में हेल्प करें, राइट, टू कंट्रोल द डैमेज. सो वी आर वर्किंग very very rigorously. Satvik India Council is working very rigorously to actually create more and more jobs in the food certification business, right? And I'll tell you how. How will we do it? That is मतलब ये बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न है. ये मेरे लिए लगभग 5 साल पहले जब मैं हिंदुस्तान आया सात्विक को स्टार्ट करने के लिए, तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न था कि मैं अगर किसी से इस बारे में बात करूंगा तो वो क्या रिस्पॉन्स करेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ही विल थिंक दैट ही इज अ बैड गाय हूज कम, देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर वेजिटेरियन. तो वेजिटेरियन है, उसमें सर्टिफिकेशन क्यों चाहिए भाई, राइट? बट the first set of people I talked to, it's very interesting, I'll share, just take 1 minute. The first set of people I met were people from Akshardham who were actually managing the kitchen. Murivasal ji helped me a lot. Then the second people I met was from the ISKCON. Akshay Patra किसको पता है? Then I met those who were responsible for Akshay Patra. What are the quality management? How do they manage it? Because it's huge food given distributed. What is the why they are not getting how they prevent contamination, cross contamination? Because they are feeding it to the children, right? So how we will do it? Okay. Now, because FICCI had Frac Labs, सबको पता होगा यहाँ पे. So that's basically a very generic lab जो food testing के system पे. We are just trying to make more bigger networks. Frac Lab is basically our partner for producing, for giving us assistance in any kind of lab techniques required for further. Because one thing more I want to tell you before all this, that Satvik is still evolving. Because we have just started a few years back. So we are trying to create compliances for all different trades, for like say for kitchens, for farming, for quality management, for hotels. So it's still in the process of, we are evolving day by day. There are research people, there are research scholars who are connected with me. They are doing a lot of work basically. So robust quality management, this is our prime motto. Prime. So we decided to actually do a good food network, so under which training, awareness, consumers, business, under National Good Food Network mission. So इसी का एक part है on the 5th of December. I would like you to join. We are doing AIN, which is Agropreneurs India Meet, which is the first time where Satvik India is calling all the agripreneurs from nearby and other states, and we are accrediting them, about 10 of them, who have done tremendously some good job. किसी ने honey में कुछ किया है, किसी ने orange production में बहुत मदद करी है, किसी ने somebody has done somebody has imported some fruits from Thailand and they have started a huge plantation here, so they are doing very good. So it is from farm to fork concept, but they are agripreneurs, they have their own market, and I think अगर आप लोग आओगे तो आप लोगों को दिखाई पड़ेगा. It is at ICC India International Center, Lodi Road. So our Satvik, farm to fork, you see the above logos. I think everybody knows these logos, right? And we fit in everywhere. Satvik fits in everywhere. It fits in the Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana. It fits in KVIC because there are more than 2 lakh vendors in KVIC, Khadi Village Industries Commission, who are ready to get adapted by Satvik India certification because they all produce vegetarian products, right? So these people some people are from Himachal, some people are from outside. There are good business networking people there, but they don't get a global platform which Satvik is going to provide with their certification. So our partners already, Amity is there, Khadi India, National Skill Development Corporation, and Manav Rachna, Chandiwala. This is a small structure of who we are, how we are. We are registered as NGO, just like an ISO. ISO is also registered under NGO. We believe, our motto, we believe in knowledge sharing, because that is the biggest thing in our mentor structure, that whatever we create, whatever IPs we create, we just have to give away the knowledge. So, more jobs in quality and assurance through Satvik Incubation and associated universities. That's why I'm here, to actually encourage you to come up as intern first and then join the workforce of Satvik India. Our motto, very simple, that if NIFTM becomes our knowledge partners, I think we will be able, somebody from you in the future, maybe in about a year, would be doing a book for Satvik India, right? And would be actually going in for PhD into the subject where Satvik India is trying to, So that's the kind of vision we are looking at. So these are certain places which I have gone and given my presentations, about 110 universities, somewhere outside India, some outside India also. So this is UAU, United Arab Emirates University, which is in Al Ain, one of the premier universities of GCC. This was Uttra University in Malaysia, which is one of the most prominent universities in down south in Malaysia. And by the way, this university is basically all halal, because Malaysia is all halal. So it was very difficult for me to make the crowd understand why do we need, because my first slide was that, okay, why there is requirement for a veg certification, why do you need a veg certification? Because they don't understand. It's a green logo, why do you need? So the simple content, how many people go to KFC? And how many people buy a vegetarian dish there? कितने? Right? ठीक है? So जब आप KFC जाते हो, तो जब आप KFC लेते हो तो उसमें आपको एक रेड लोगो आ जाता है कि भाई ये, और थोड़ा सा अंदर जाएंगे तो आपको हलाल का सर्टिफिकेशन भी नजर आ जाएगा, right? Which tells them about the process. The meat is okay, we can eat, we can whatever, right? But what about the vegetarian burger or a dish which you order? Who's certifying that? Because there is no body, there is no certifier, there is no compliance. That's why. So the future is KFC. The future is Haldiram's. The future is even McDonald's for that means. So this was Sutra. We are doing a certification partner. We are having one is Malaysia and the other is right now one university in Thailand. So we are certification partners. So for example, everything goes well. So in the next coming 2-3 months, we will be starting incubation here only. So all the certificates can be provided between, we do a partnership with the university. So jointly, Sattvic India and the university will generate the certificate. So Sattvic certified trainers, which is right now, which we have in the next 1 year, which I'm looking at, will be a big workforce, and which actually will be an ally to the government also. Implementation of Sattvic certification, hotel tourism industry and applied. So this is very interesting, that in the next couple of years, the tourism industry is going to be huge in India. As you know, I think in the last 5 years, the kind of hotels, the OYOs and all, it's basically getting uplifted all the time. So this is what a Sattvic app would do. Actually identify on an application where you have a Sattvic certified restaurant or where you have a Sattvic certified hotel. Now, how would a Sattvic certified hotel look like? For example, we are developing this certification, but I just tell you one, two, 3 points. That a Sattvic certified hotel would look like 100% vegetarian environment, right? With all the no chemical use inside, right? Zero carbon footprint, things like that. So these are the SOPs of how a Sattvic certified hotel would look like, right? Sattvic trip, which again the same as what I told you, that we also want to create a Sattvic trip where we want to get associated with all these people, those who are into this industry, and they can understand. I want to go visit Dubai. I've been to almost all the countries. I want to go to Dubai, for example, or I want to go to Muscat for my holiday. So I need my environment. I'm a Hindu, I need my environment. Or I'm a vegetarian, I need my environment. Or I'm anybody else, I need my environment. Right? And I need a place where I can have veg food, where I know that there are no chemicals used in the premises, where I know all the whatever products is used is all biodegradable. So these are the parameters, right? And market is ready for that. We have a ready market, because at the end of the day, this will not be cheap. This will not be cheap. This will be expensive. Think about, for example, Oyo, who is doing something like about 40 properties in Varanasi, and they say that out of that, 10 are Sattvic certified. So you can, when you are standing